Students, let's solve this question. The question is, two women and five men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that by one man alone. So in this question, there are two conditions that one work is there, and if two women and five men together complete this work, together do this work, then they take just 4 days to complete this work. In first case, two women and five men are working together and they are taking 4 days to complete the work. And now in second case, three women and six men, if do this work, then they take just 3 days to complete the work. This is our second second condition, that three women and six men, if together complete this work, together they do this work, they take just 3 days. So now we have to find that if one woman alone do this work, then how many days she will take, and if one man alone do this work, then how many days he will take. So this is our question. So for understanding this question, let's take some example. So first of all, we'll assume that let one woman alone takes X days to finish the work and one man alone takes Y days to finish the work. So it means if one woman alone is doing that work, then she will take X days, and one man if doing alone this work, then he will take Y days. So let's write the first condition here in rough. I'm doing just in rough. So two women, so here, and five men complete this work in 4 days. I'm just writing like this only. Okay, and three women here and six men can finish this work in 3 days. So let's understand. Suppose you are doing a work and you take 2 days to finish a work. Suppose you take 2 days to finish a work, then what is the work done in 1 day? That will be obviously 1 by 2. Suppose you complete a work in 3 days, then what is 1 day work? That will be 1 by 3. Again, if suppose you are completing a work in 4 days, then what is your 1 day work? That will be 1 by 4. Okay, if you are completing a work in X days, then what is your 1 day work? That will be 1 by X. As it is going on, it is 1 by X. And if you take to complete a work in Y days, then what is your 1 day work? That might be 1 by Y. So from here you have learned that if a woman takes X days to finish a work, then what is one woman's 1 day work? That will be 1 by X. And if a man takes Y days to finish a work, then what is a man's 1 day work? That is 1 by Y. So now see, from here we'll frame the equations from these two given conditions. So first condition is 2 women plus 5 men's 4 days work. That is one work. So see here. So from here we have learned that one woman taking X days to finish the work. Okay, so what is one woman's 1 day work? That will be 1 by X. So one woman's 1 day work is 1 by X. So what is two women's 1 day work? That will be 2 by X. So again I repeat, one woman's 1 day work is 1 by X. So two women's 1 day work is 2 by X. Now what is one man's 1 day work? That is 1 by Y. So what is 5 men's 1 day work? That is 5 over Y. We have to multiply with 5. So this is, if I add these two, so it is 2 women's and 5 men's 1 day work. This is 2 women's and 5 men's 1 day work, because this is 2 women's 1 day work, this is 5 men's 1 day work. If we plus these works, then it gives us that this is 2 women's and 5 men's 1 day work. And if I want to find out 2 women's and 5 men's 4 days work, then we'll multiply with 4. So how much work they are completing in 4 days? They are completing one full work, one complete work they are doing in 4 days. So 2 women's and 5 men's 4 days work is one work completed. So this way we will find the first equation. So again, let's find the second equation. So see, 1 woman's 1 day work, 1 by x. Okay. Now 3 women's 1 day work, 3 over x. Right? Okay. Now 1 man 1 day work, 1 by y. So what is a 6 men 1 day work? 6 over y. Right? So what is 3 women and 6 men's 1 day work? We will add these two. Now this is 3 women's and 6 men's 1 day work. And what is 3 women's and 6 men's 3 days work? You multiply with 3. This is, and in 3 days they complete full work and they finish the work. It means in 3 days they are doing one full work. So this will be our second equation and we will solve these two equations. So let's write in the fair work. So I have written work done by 2 women and 5 men in 4 days. They are completing one work. Okay. So we'll write the equation now. 1 woman's 1 day work, that is 1 by x, and 2 women's 1 day work, that will be 2 by x. Again, now 1 man's 1 day work, that is 1 by y. Now 5 men's 1 day work, that will be 5 over y. Now 2 women and 5 men's 1 day work, that we will do plus. Now 2 women and 5 men's 4 days work, we'll multiply with 4. And that is equal to 1 complete work. Okay. Now this 4 will go here in the denominator. So it will become here 2 over x plus 5 over y is equal to 1 by 4. This is our first equation. So similarly we will do for the second case. So work done by 3 women and 6 men in 3 days. That is one work. It is written in the second case. 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So in 3 days, 3 women and 6 men complete this one work. So here also we will frame the equation. So see here, 1 woman's 1 day work, that is 1 by x. So 3 women's 1 day work, that is 3 by x. Now 1 man 1 day work, that is 1 by y. So 6 men's 1 day work, that will be 6 over y. Now 3 women and 6 men's 1 day work, we will add these two. So this is 3 women's and 6 men's 1 day work. So what is their 3 days work? We'll multiply with 3. Now this complete work is there, so it means it is full one work is completed. So 3 women's and 6 men 3 days work is one complete work. So we'll take this 3 to here in the denominator. So I'll write here. So it becomes 3 over x plus 6 over y is equal to 1 by 3. This is our second equation. In first equation and second equation, what we do, 2 over x means 2 into 1 by x. 5 over y means 5 into 1 by y. If I put 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b, so it becomes 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4. Here it becomes 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. So we'll put like this way. Put a is equal to, or you can say put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b in equation 1 and 2. So it becomes here 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4, and here 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. Now suppose this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. We are to solve these two equations by elimination method. So in elimination method, what we do, we make the coefficient of either a or b same in both the equations. So if I multiply equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 2, so coefficient of a will be 6. So it will be same. So we'll do this like this way. So multiply equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 2. So multiply this equation by 3, it becomes 3 2s are 6a plus 5 3s are 15b. So 1 by 4 into 3 is 3 by 4. So multiply this equation by 2. So 6a plus 12b is equal to 2 by 3. So now the signs of 6 here same, so we'll subtract these two equations. So in subtraction, signs will be changed, minus, minus and minus. So 6a cancelled. So 15b minus 12b is 3b. And here 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So 3b is equal to, we'll take LCM, LCM is 12. So 4 3s are 12, so 3 3s are 9, minus 3 4s are, so multiply by 4, it is 8. So 3b is 1 by 12. So 3b is 1 by 12. Okay. So b is, 3 will go in the denominator, 12 3s are 36. So b is 1 by 36. We'll put the value of b here, 1 by 36 in equation 3. So put b is equal to 1 by 36 in equation 3. So let's put 2a plus 5b, 5 into 1 by 36. So 5 by 36 is equal to 1 by 4. So it becomes 2a is equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Now 2a is equal to 4 and 36, LCM is 36. So 4 9s are, so multiply by 9. 36 1s are, so multiply by 1. So 2a is equal to 4 by 36. So a is equal to 4 by, 2 will go in the denominator, 2 into 36. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 18s are. So 1 by 18 is a. So we need to find the value of x and y. So we will go here where we have written, put 1 by x as a here. So we'll go here. Now we have 1 by x as a. So it means 1 by x is 1 by 18. So if I do cross multiply, so x is 18. So in second case, 1 by y is b. So b is here 1 by 36. So y is 36. So it means one woman alone takes 18 days to finish the work and one man takes 36 days to finish the same work alone. So it's written, one woman takes 18 days and one man takes 36 days alone to finish the work. So thank you so much.